Georgia's Secretary of State Brad Raffensperger speaking in Cobb County today about ongoing efforts to secure the state's elections process.
It comes as SB 202 continues to receive criticism from Democrats and voting rights activists. CBS 46's Brittany Edney is live at the state capitol tonight with what the Secretary of State is saying about elections right here in the Peach State. Brittany?
Tracy, Raffensperger once again reiterated how Georgia's elections were secure, and that's something that he has yet to waver on, and how he also believes that SB 202 is only going to strengthen that process.
And what we just saw, came up recently, people were talking about Fulton County scanned ballots 3 times.
Georgia Secretary of State Brad Raffensperger says he continuously has to fight against misinformation and inaccuracies regarding Georgia's election results.
That was actually reported 6 months ago, that Fulton County scanned those ballots. But when we did the hand recount and then we did the ballot scan, that's when that got reconciled. And so that really had been addressed, and it did not affect the total results.
He was also very direct with the crowd regarding how the results were received by the Republican Party, which he's part of.
Half the people in Georgia, had difficulty with the results, and they were on my side of the aisle. We were surprised. We got caught flat-footed because this state has voted for Republicans for president for over 20 years.
And once again reflected on how SB 202 protects the voting process. Meanwhile, this week, voting rights activist STACEY Abrams once again took shots at Georgia Republicans for the controversial bill.
When we hear the argument that it makes it harder to cheat and easier to vote, it does not make it easier to vote. It makes it easier to lie about what happened in 2020.
Raffensperger also talked about how he saw this bill as more of something that was bipartisan, adding that before the bill passed, there was input and conversation with the other side of the aisle, and that some changes were put into that bill after getting those conversations with some of the Democrats in there, and that it was reflected in the controversial bill. Reporting live outside the Capitol, I'm Brittany Edney, CBS 46 News.
Brittany, thank you. Now